just missed it. I don't know what happened. She might have asked what we're doing out here. We're Stockton's finest. Got 3 stripes right there. Get to work. Get to work.
Put your seatbelt on.
There you go. Thank you, man.
You didn't have a seatbelt on.
Seatbelt on. Seatbelt.
Here we are recording what I believe is employee parking for Stockton Police. Central Cali News Network was approached whoa, she's trying to get in.
Put his on.
I got no stuff. You didn't keep the seatbelt on, brother. I will. What's your name and badge number?
Seatbelt. Oh man.
Hey, 2772. 2772. All right.
Hey, if we were to say that,
I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go in the warning. All right, I appreciate it. All right. Hey, you all need warning, right? All right. Hey, no blue lines. No blue lines. What? No blue lines. The blue line on the flag, none of that. No, I don't have it. I know.
Nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, have a good one, man. It's a sunny day. The visor's down.
Yeah, he put it down. Yeah, get him on that side, brother. Buckle up. Buckle up, folks. Ah.
Whoa, speeding. Hey.
Man.
Hey.
Hey, what's up with that guy?
Are we allowed to speed like
Why
that?
is he driving like a maniac?
It's not the red light now.
No.
It's out of here. He just seemed upset because he was getting recorded. I was just making sure you guys were wearing your seatbelts, which he wasn't.
Was he not?
Nah. And then he screamed out of here all crazy.
Did you happen to see what vehicle number it was? I'll be happy to talk to him because we definitely want to have guys wearing seatbelts and driving safe, you know.
It's not the first one either.
And I got another one over there on that side too.
It's not the first one.
I mean, like, you know, I know it's discretion. When we make mistakes, you guys can let us go with the warning and stuff like that.
Well, trust me, my expectation is that all of us are doing the right thing. Bottom line.
Yeah.
So, you know, unfortunately, I was looking at my phone. I didn't suppose what he's doing. And I don't know what vehicle number it was.
Yeah.
But nonetheless, if, you know.
He was doing all this, like trying to put the visor down and put it to the side and go this way and put the other one down. And, I mean, he just got all, like paranoid over the camera. I mean,
he's just smile and wave. It's not that big
exactly.
a deal, right?
There you go.
You're not doing
Hi,
nothing
Mom.
wrong. You know what I mean?
hey, bro, hell yeah.
I mean, for real, it seems silly, but I mean, for real, right? You're not doing nothing wrong. Smile and wave.
Sir, what's your...
Was it Sergeant Burrow?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sergeant.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yeah, cool attitude. Have a great day, man. You too. Not bad, eh? Hey, what's up? Not coming this way anyway.
He's waving. That's good. That's good.
They're coming out. Hey,
Oh, I smile. We got to smile.
Oh, all right. Not too bad. We got a wave and a smile.
We'll take a
Look at
smile.
this guy. What's up, man?
How's it going, sir?
Hey, you gotta make sure you stay buckled up. I will. I'll let you. I'll let you go with a warning.
Yeah, there you go, man.
Did you catch him?
Yeah.
Did you catch him,
Nah, I didn't.
Oh shit, I didn't either.
This thing was too slow turning, man.
I was.
But hey, he learned. He learned. You know what I mean? He learned, bro. He learned. See?
Yeah, that was cool.
Hey, that warning helped, bro.
Yeah. Stockton police. So what's the difference between those fucking police?
San Joaquin just gave a cop a warning, and the cop learned, and he left without a ticket.
And he left smiling. He was like, hey.
Yeah, and he drove by right now, and he had his seatbelt on. So there you go.
Well, just gotta hold them accountable like they do us.
That proves that if you use discretion and you give somebody the benefit of the doubt,
Oh, man,
they might learn.
Bro. Hey, good point. Say that shit real quick.
You know, if you use discretion and you give somebody the benefit of the doubt, you know, they'll probably learn. You know, if they don't, then that's bad on him.
You don't necessarily have to give the guy a ticket, huh?
Exactly,
Just
exactly.
Hey, a fine warning. The officer wasn't wearing a seatbelt. He
Yes,
admitted
sir.
to it.
Yeah.
I gave him a fair warning.
And then he just drove by right now. He smiled, and he showed us his seatbelt, and he waved.
Yep. That's what's up, man. Thank you, brother. Hey,
Yes, sir.
good eye, bro.
Yeah.
Great observation, dude. Makes sense what you said. For those of you officers that are watching our channel, my channel, pay attention to what he just said, man. Sometimes discretion, a little nice little warning, can make the person actually want to listen.
How's it going? Have a good one.